76th Street. Interject yourself to the people. Tell them, how are you driver? Are you a driver? Oh, it's a need for speed. Power down and so on. See? I don't want to start it here now. Look here. You don't want to start it here. Remember, I should have started at half a road and do it too fast now, yeah? So, yo, what size ring you have on the phone? Yeah, man, 15-inch catch here, you know? Engine Corey FE original engine. EG keyboard turbo on 8-port turbo and MSD launch control. No, straight tires. So here boy, you have to go bust it, you know. Watch it. Yeah, I have some clip right as I muffler right as Hold on there. Let me see how I bust the big gun down there. Yo! Oh, you think so? Yo, boy, mama. Boy, you bust. Get him, man. Round the side, I want you forward, you know. Get your clippings for yourself. Now you have to fire and run through this thing. Yo, all the people, when they're on the road, sidewalk, me, I beg on the right side. Yes, on the show there, you know. Alright, so now we're going to do some bad stunt and fight them on the roll up. You know, they like they are darkness there. Help people there, check in. You know, I think on the big bad stunt. Lord of mercy. Hold on, mama. After you shoot heavy. Yes, push it again. Yes, mama. Yeah, now. So what the next guy? What the next guy was to do? Hold on there. With the bad start, don't move it. You want to go on here, so now. Are you going to bust it? So hold on. One thing. Hold on. So one tick and one slip. I like the competition now. So right now, the thinkers just bust the place I want to do. So I'm going to see where you go on and slip thing. Eh? Where's the bar? Hold on. You know, sir, what's the bar? The muffler in the car. Yeah, but who on the video camera? Who on the video man that's who are born and who wants to? Yeah, I mean, you must go on that camera. Check it up and put him on it. Yeah, where cameraman? The father's the cameraman. I want to see this light up boy here, you know. Mama, you ready to kick it off right now? You ready? Eh? Ready with me, ready? Yo, you can't ready with me, ready? I'm ready. Dangerous, you know. So you better ready? Hey! Turn up here, you know. Turn up. Alright, crazy. Alright, hear me now. There? You ready now? Remember start the competition now. You don't give them a test run. And you get your crowd right there, so. Still a fear crowd up, start cheering for you. Video man, where video man there? Video man, fight. Brother, hold up. Where video man there? Where there? Right now, we're going to hear the prayer about that now. Bust the big gunner now. Bust the gunner now. Slimmers, what's the one going? I don't know anything going on. Rev it in. Come by now. Now we can even hear those.
want you to put your hand on the first place winner, which is
Yeah, man, it's Slimmers.
Mojo and Slimmers. Okay, on behalf of the promoter again, I take great pleasure in presenting this gift as a token from them to Mojo and his Slimmers. For first place, thank you.
Yeah.
What about my competition over there?
Go Slimmers, bust one more. Bust two more Slimmers.
And everybody's burn out, launch out. Crowd, close. Yeah? Crowd, close. Alright, thank you, David.
Alright, my name is David. I'm from 2013 Pro Box.
Don't do that, don't Pro Box. Don't you ever dare do that.
Blind. Alright, the rims them are keeping works 15 by 80 offset. Keeping works 15 by 80 offset. Must be another 0.00.
Yo, cameraman, call. What's this up in the front of your man? What's going on? Kind of.
Spikes there. Alright.
Let's leave it as a two little scale pan in the camera like shine on you. Shine, see that?
Alright. Twice them side there, alright already.
Go forward on the side, you know? See?
Alright.
You don't know, look, we check the panel on there. Like, you jump over one side, one basic. What about yourself? You don't see you. You people in the front of the region and store. Go on. People in the store. Go on.
Special thanks to 876 Street, 10 or 10 promotion, contribution to the event. Special thanks to the Killfield, Entourage, family. Big up all those that support us next year, 2019, big up setup. Speed Boss, Team Premier, representing. Oh.
Yeah, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who came out and support the event.
Benz on the highway, you hear it squeeze.
We a cruise control, big four in a cruise control. Cruise control.